If you've ever wanted to find stickers on Telegram quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find stickers on Telegram on PC in just a few simple steps. This is a super easy trick. Whether you want to send funny reaction stickers, use animated sticker packs, or just make your chats more expressive. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your PC and go to any chat. It can be a personal chat, a group chat, or even a saved messages conversation. Once you're inside the chat, look at the message bar at the bottom of the screen. Right next to the text box, you'll see a smiley face icon. This is the area where Telegram keeps your emojis, stickers, and GIFs all in one place. Go ahead and click that smiley face icon. As soon as you do, a panel will open up with different options. At the top or along the side, depending on your version of Telegram, you'll see tabs for emojis, stickers, and maybe GIFs. To find your stickers, simply select the Stickers tab. This will show you all of your available sticker packs, including recently used stickers and any packs you've added to your account. From here, you can scroll through the sticker list and choose the one you want to send. Just click the sticker and it will instantly appear in the chat. If you want to explore more sticker packs, Telegram usually gives you access to additional packs right from this panel as well. So if you don't see the one you want immediately, keep scrolling or look for the option to browse more sticker sets. That's really all there is to it. Finding stickers on Telegram PC is fast, simple, and perfect once you know where to look. Instead of searching through menus or settings, you can access everything right from the chat window with just one click. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy Telegram tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.